Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Welcome to 2024. I'm going to do my first crypto analysis for the new year. As you can see right here, we're starting off with quite a big bang here with Bitcoin really taking off here. We've got here, let me just get rid of this other chart here. You can see here, Bitcoin is just really taking off from 42,000, just straight up. I don't need to say anything more than that. My profit factor is pretty week, but when you see these kind of run-ups, the other big thing, I think what's happening here, it's just taken off because they're anticipating this week that potentially the ETF approvals may come in for Bitcoins. This is what's driving that. So I don't need to say anymore. That's going to be a big mover right there. The other one is Ethereum. Okay, so this is on a 4-hour chart. So as a result, you can see that Bitcoin is also Ethereum's also taken off. I really don't need to say any more than when you see these. These are weak numbers, but when you see this kind of spike, it's going to be a potentially strong week for both these coins. The other one that surprised me was Bitcoin. Let me just get rid of these other strategies here. Switch over to a candle. So you can see here, same thing. You're going from 89 cents to 93 cents. These are big moves in one day. I just did the other video on the typical oil, gold, US dollar. I don't know why people get into that, but here's where the problem is. If you see these big moves, this is what you can expect. Big move and then a drift down. That's what you have to be very careful of. So Doge is not a strong player last year in 2023. Solana was a big one. Okay. So a big one, you can see it's not really doing anything. I don't know why that is. But you can see the profit factor. When you look at let me pull up the daily view, maybe you might see it. But you can see here how it's just gone from when you're looking in around like $11 to 110, 11, like it's 10 time return. And people put all their attention on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but this thing has moved. And here's the thing: when you start to look at, let's say, a 2-hour time frame, now it's starting to move. So you want to get in on that early to get your longs. You can see I just got a long here. If I look at the 1 hour, very strong. Well, in the 1 hour, but yeah, you can see it's just there. It's moving. All right, so that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Solana. So Matic has been pumping along pretty good. Double top kind of thing. The profit factor has really bounced back. So this is another coin. This is Polygon. So this could be another strong candidate that could do well. This one that surprised a lot of people is AVAX. You can see it's declined a lot, but it's moving to $38 to $42. This is where you got to start looking at the moves themselves over the last 8, 9, 10, 12 hours. One that just came up is, let me just pull up, let me just get rid of Doge here. Monero is another one. Let me just see how that one's been doing. That one apparently has been popping it. So let's see. If you have access to Monero, there was an announcement some of the coins are getting dropped here. So 163, 168, you can see the red there. So maybe it's not so strong. Same with XRP. Let's just see that one. Yeah, so that one's gone from 61 to 63 cents. Not a huge move. The other one is XRP. Oh, Chainlink, which was moved a lot earlier in the year. So let's check out that one. So that one's not moving as much, $14, $15. So the excitement is definitely in the bigger ones, the Bitcoin, the Ethereums, probably the Solana as well, but definitely Bitcoin, Ethereum, because those are the ones that they're expecting that the ETFs. Now, always remember, if you're going to be on an ETF, take heed on what I'm about to say. Bitcoin, you want to be on an exchange because, as I keep saying, if the crypto that you're trading in a ETF crashes on a Saturday, let's say, you can't do anything about it until the Monday. So you could lose 10, 20% and you're locked in. You can't trade it, your ETF until Monday morning, let's say. Whereas if you're on an exchange, crypto exchange like Kraken, the only one I recommend for those in North America and pretty well the West, you can trade that anytime you want, 24/7. So that's a big advantage there. So take that warning very seriously, because I think there will be a lot of volatility in the markets for Bitcoin, and crypto as well this year. But if it's going to get hot now, get in on it. You want the ideas to make returns, get and do that. So hopefully I'll help you out. For it's starting out to go out with a bang on the first day of the week because of the hype of these ETFs, which could come early this week. So if that happens, good. Jump in on it. If you can automate, great. That's what I do. You can see all that stuff on my profile. Other social media that's on my profile, my signature in each trading idea, and even in these videos. So check those out. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.